If you are thinking about red light therapy and have been researching it and trying to decide whether it's right for you, then why wait any longer? Today I'm going to share with you a really great mask that I have been trying and testing out, and I'm going to give you the benefits of red light therapy, also show you how to wear the mask, and then also I'm going to tell you why it has something completely different than any of the other red light therapy masks out there. And then if you are wondering, why do I need red light therapy? It's like Botox, but without the needle. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a review on the INIA red light therapy mask and show you all the components of it, why it's good for your skin. And I want to thank INIA for sending me this to review for you guys. I'm really excited to share this with you. So let's get started. So this mask does come in 3 different colors. It comes in a black, a white, and a pink. And of course, I had to pick up the pink. And INIA has so graciously given me a $20 coupon code for you guys. I'm going to put it on the screen. It will also be in the description box, along with the link to this mask. So INIA did send this to me, and I'm so excited because I do love red light therapy. I've been using red light therapy on various parts of the body. I think these are great. I love red light therapy, and I want to tell you exactly why I do love red light therapy so much. But I'm first going to tell you all the components of this, and there is one thing that makes this one stand out above the rest, and that is because it is completely wireless. So you are not attached to a specific area to be able to use this. You can go about all of your different activities and still be able to use this because it fits very comfortably. It's flexible, it's FDA cleared, and this one is so good. And this does have a food grade silica gel. So this is non-toxic for your skin. Nothing's dangerous. It's all harmless on your skin. So I've already taken this out because I've been using it. I'm just really not going to share with you anything unless I actually review it first. So you do have the instruction manual that comes in here. It also comes with a charging cord, which is the USB to C charger. And then it comes with 2 different remotes, which when I put this on, I'm going to demonstrate how the remotes work as well. And the instruction manual just kind of tells you how to get started on it, put it together, how to clean it, and if you have any kind of troubleshooting that you need, then just how to charge it and everything. Then this is a quick start guide, but on the back of it, what I like about it is it tells you about the modes. There are 4 different modes on here, and it will tell you how many nanometers that the different colors have, and then also what it's best for. So I'll actually go over that with you as well, but this is just a great reference guide. This did come with the eye attachments, so you can see there is a little bit of gap here where your eyes are going to hit, so it makes it very nice and comfortable. Sits on your face really well. I am not going to put this on right now because I have makeup and I want to make sure that my skin is always clean when I do this, just because I don't want to get this dirty, but it does show you in that user manual how to clean it if you do get any kind of oils or makeup or anything on that. But you can see how many LED lights that this actually has. So before I show you the different modes of this mask, I do want to tell you a little bit about the near infrared or the NIR wavelengths that this mask provides. So one of the reasons this mask is so different than any of your other masks is because it has 850 nanometers of NIR wavelengths. And so you may be asking, what is near infrared light? So let's take a look at this diagram. So you can see that the blue light goes to the dermal layer of the skin. The orange reaches all the way to the fat layer. The red almost reaches the layer of the muscle, but not quite, but it does go deeper than the blue and the orange lights. But the NIR penetrates much deeper and actually reaches the muscle layer. And because it penetrates so much deeper than the other lights, this actually helps to rebuild collagen. And as you know, the older we get, the less collagen our face and our body produces. So because this penetrates to that muscle layer, it's going to help with circulation, and it's also going to help to boost the collagen production. And also the NIR achieves clinical level results when you're using this mask. So now that I've discussed the NIR, which kind of sets this mask apart, and you know the benefits and what actually NIR is, let's go ahead and talk about the different light modes of this mask. So this mask does come with the 2 remotes that are going to attach to the metal on here. That's why you don't have to worry about any kind of cords, because it's going to attach right here, and it sits in there because it kind of has this little clip, so it's going to get in there and sit. You're not going to have to worry about it sliding off, and you can do all of the activities that you want. This is really great because it does stay on pretty well, and I'll demonstrate that in just a few minutes. But there are 2 remotes, and each one of these take a few hours to charge. And then here is your battery indicator. So I have it on 3. Both of these are fully charged. And then here is your power button that will change the modes of it. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to just attach this to the mask, and it automatically comes on to the red light mode. So the red light has 630 nanometers, and then what it is going to do is it's going to smooth your wrinkles, and it's also going to lift saggy skin. If you hit the power button one time, it's going to go to the blue light, which is 470 nanometers. This is going to clear any acne and also prevent breakouts and kind of just calm down your inflammation in your skin. If you hit it one more time, it's going to go to the orange mode. And this is 610 nanometers. This evens out your skin tone, kind of reduces the redness. And it also reduces dull or tired-like skin. And then if you hit it one last time, it's going to go to the last mode, which is the purple, which combines the red with the blue. So it's going to give you the benefits of the anti-aging along with the benefits of preventing those breakouts and clearing your skin. And then if you hit it again, it'll go back to the red lights. So for this, you're going to be able to see results in just 2 weeks. Now, I've been using red light therapy for a little bit, so I did not do a before and after because it doesn't truly show what it looks like before any kind of red light therapy, because I actually really love red light therapy. I have tried out different kind of red light therapy masks. Some have been a little bit of a harder material. Some have been flexible like this, but this is the only one that I have ever tried that is completely cordless, which I love that fact about it. But you want to look for a mask that has both the red light therapy and the NIR, which is the near infrared light, because it goes a little bit deeper and helps repair the skin because it goes so deep. What sets this mask apart from the others, besides the fact that it is completely wireless, is because it has the 4 different modes. So a lot of these masks you're going to get are just the red light, but this one has the red light, the blue light, the orange light, and then the purple light that combines the red and the blue together. So there are 4 different modes that you can use with this one. And it also has 272 LED chips. So each one of these light bulbs have many different chips within. You're going to get all of the light therapy all over the entire skin area. And because you have the NIR, it's going to go a lot deeper. And this can be used on all kinds of skin types, regardless of whether you have dry, normal, or oily skin, sensitive skin. You have rosacea. This helps with rosacea. Definitely harmless, and there's no side effects to this. So now that I have told you all the benefits and what each light mode does, I'm just going to put it on and just show you how it works. Okay, so I have completely washed my face because I never want to use this without cleaning my face first. Number one, I just don't want to get any makeup on this. You can clean the surface, probably with a baby wipe, something simple like that. But I just don't want to worry about getting any of my oils or makeups or anything on there. So I always clean my skin before I do this. And if you'll notice, I've done a little bit of damage to my skin over the weekend. So I actually had put some sunscreen on, but did not reapply it throughout the day. And right here got very burnt. You could see where my sunglasses were. So I got very burnt right in this area. So I actually thought and researched to see if the red light therapy could actually help with the sunburn to maybe like kill it a little bit faster. So I actually researched to see if red light therapy would be dangerous to a sunburn, would help with the sunburn, and they're still doing research for that. But because the red light therapy actually helps to promote and stimulate collagen, and that also helps to create circulation, it's said that it will help repair the skin, the damage to your skin from the sunburn, a little bit quicker than if you were to not do anything at all. It has dramatically decreased in the last couple of days. So I can already see a difference. So I do believe that it does help, but I just want to kind of point that out while you're seeing this. I'm going to go ahead and put this on. So this is the mask, and I have already put the eye shields on. So when you have it on, that's going to keep you from being able to see the light. That way, because it's cordless, you're going to be able to walk around and do any of your activities that you want to do while you're waiting the 10 minutes for this to do its magic. So those do come separate in the box. It's really nice and pliable, so it fits to your face very nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and place it on. And then as you can see, you're just gonna put the Velcro over here, and you can put it as tight as you need it or as loose as you want it. So as you can see, this is how it looks on, and it fits really nicely around. It's very flexible, so it's not hard, it's not uncomfortable. And then this adjustment will adjust to any size head. So this is really nice, and it goes over your ears, so nothing that's across your ears, pinching your ears or making them uncomfortable. It's very comfortable. That's why this one's so great to use if you are doing house chores. If you want to just lay down and relax, you can do that. If you want to read a book, you can do that. But if you want to be cooking while you're doing this, it's only 10 minutes, so it doesn't take a lot of time to get the benefits on a daily basis. But if you want to do any of your other activities that you need to be doing, then this is just simple to put on. You can walk around. Because it's cordless, you don't have to worry about being tied to something to plug in or anything like that. This is really great. So here is one of the remotes. There are two. So you can see on the back, it has these that are going to connect to this right here. And then here's the second one. I've already got the protector on here just to kind of show you. I've only been using this one, but I have both of them charged. But you want to just take that off before you use it. Otherwise, it's not going to be able to connect on here. So here it is without the film protector, and then here it is with it. And each one of these remotes gives you a 90-minute charge. So you're just going to find the two pieces, and it's going to magnet on. And you'll hear it beep to know that it's on right, and then it automatically comes on to the red. If you want to change it to the blue, that's your next mode. And then you have orange next, and then you have the purple last. I really do like to use the purple just for the fact that it includes the blue and the red both. And so if I am wanting to do the anti-aging and the clearing of the skin, then I'm going to use the purple. So I hope that you have found this helpful and you've decided that maybe red light therapy is the way to go to help improve your skin. I'm 46 years old and I feel like it has really been helping to fight the fine lines and wrinkles that I already have, but also to prevent any new ones from coming. And I do love that this is wireless. I think that's a great feature of this one because I have vacuumed, I have cooked, I have exercised, I have read a book, I have just relaxed with this on, and it's great that I don't have to be tied to one specific place. So I hope that you have found this review helpful. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll do my best to answer any of those for you, and let me know, have you been considering red light therapy? I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please hit that like button, and I would also love to have you consider hitting that subscribe button. I do weekly videos on fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. Until next time, I hope you have a wonderful day.